How to log in Fiverr with different accounts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to log in Fiverr with different accounts. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So in order to log in Fiverr with different accounts, first of all, you have to make Fiverr the clone apps or the clone application you have to generate from your device. For that, you don't need to install any kind of third-party app. Simply head into the settings on your device. On the settings page, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. You can either search for dual apps or clone apps. So let's search for the clone. If you got App Cloner, you can easily select App Cloner. So depending upon your device, you can easily get different kinds of name for the same application. So for Fiverr, we have turn it off. Tap on Fiverr, and here you got the option for create app clone. Toggle the button on, and once you toggle the button on, the clone app will easily appear on your home screen. So once the clone app appear, you can easily log into another account on your clone application, and on your original Fiverr application, you can easily log into the different accounts. So that is how we easily log in Fiverr with different accounts. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video.